Hi, I'm Maris First, and this is my tool talk for remembering and understanding. As you may know, remembering and understanding is the first level of Bloom's taxonomy. It is the first step in acquiring knowledge, so it is something everyone must do. Today I will present you with a tool that will help you remember and understand anything for any major or career. This is Quizlet. Quizlet is helpful to everyone who is willing to sign up. It is used in 130 countries by 30 million people for more than 200 million topics. It's only 10 years old. It was created by Andrew Sutherland for when he was trying to remember French. It is user-friendly and free when you sign up. As you can see, you are able to create your own study set. These study sets contain flashcards with terms and definitions. However, you may not even need to do that. In the top left, you can see a search bar that allows you to search for any existing study set. You could search by nearly anything: a single word or definition, a class type or title, a course number or textbook and chapter. It is very simple. When you find or create the topic you needed, there are many ways to remember them. You could use the flashcard function. You go through flashcards individually and over until you believe you have got them. This is for more disciplined students. You could use the learn function, which gives you the term or definition, whatever you prefer, and you have to pick what it matches to from the multiple choice section. It goes through the terms multiple times until it believes you remember them. You can also use the write function, where it gives you a term or definition, whatever you prefer, and you have to write out the answer. Sometimes you can get this wrong and you override it if you're very close to the answer. There is also the spell function. In classes where your spelling matters, this would be very helpful. It says the term out loud and has you write it out. Another function, and my personal favorite, is a test feature that produces a randomized test with a mixture of fill-in-the-blank matching multiple choice and true-false questions. It's customizable if you only want one type of question or the different types of questions, whatever you would like. You also choose how many terms you want on the test. It will give you a grade and show you what questions you get wrong. There is also games. One is a matching game where it scatters the terms and definitions and you have to click and drag them together in order to get them right. The other game is called Gravity, where you have to type in a term before the definition falls to the ground. This is very easy for people who learn differently.